Hello everyone, welcome back to another unboxing. Today we're checking out this drone. So it's a foldable drone, ages for 14 and older. Let's go ahead, unpack this, show you guys what you get. So you get a cool little manual. The drone is in here, which we'll show you guys that in a moment. Alright guys, so this is the remote control. You got return, headless, power, compass, takeoff, landing, GPS mode over here. And if you pull this out, let's see if you lift it up, actually, that is for your cell phone. Make sure you refer to the manual for more information on that. If we go ahead, take a look back here. Okay, so this one is actually rechargeable. That is awesome. I love that. You know, the ones with batteries kind of gets old. I like the rechargeable ones. So let's go ahead. Looks like it tells you your battery, which for this, it's blinking, so I assume it's low. So we're gonna have to go ahead and charge that up. These are the batteries it comes with for the actual drone. You got your power button on the top here. You got your SD card slot right under here, battery compartment right there, camera on the front with the lights on the front. Overall, really nice. It looks like you might have some lights under the wings as well. So overall, looks like a decent looking drone, but the question is, how does it fly? So they give you your charging cable over here for the batteries. You got your spare wings, spare screws in there, your screwdriver, and your manual. So I know you guys are excited, so let's get testing this out and seeing how well it performs. you.